In German, we use the verb to go to greet people, much in the same way we say, how's it going in English. To go in German is gehen, gehen. Let's take a look at the individual syllables. GEHEN, GEHEN. To go, gehen. The word it is es, it, es, it, es. It, es. This is it as a subject pronoun. If I want to say it goes or it is going in German, we say es geht, es geht. Literally, it goes. Notice the form of gehen, it changes to agree with the subject es. Geht. Es geht. It goes. Es geht. How? Wie. How? Wie. Notice the pronunciation of the W. It's like an English V sound. Wie, wie, wie. How? Wie. How? Wie. If I want to ask the question, how's it going? In German, we say, wie geht es? Wie geht es? Literally, how goes it? Wie geht es? Wie geht es? We often contract the gate and the s to geht's, geht's. So the question is, wie geht's? Wie geht's? How's it going? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? For you, formal. IHNEN. For you, formal. IHNEN. For you, IHNEN. For you, IHNEN. If I want to ask the formal question, how is it going for you? By formal, I mean speaking with someone that you don't know, that you are meeting for the first time, or informal situations. We have a different way of speaking in German, so this is the formal way of asking. So the question is, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? How's it going for you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Repeat that many times. The more you repeat, the more it will flow when you ask the question. Wie geht es Ihnen? For me, mir. For me, mir. For me, mir. If I want to answer the question, wie geht es Ihnen, or wie geht's, and I want to say it's going well for me, I will say, es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Literally, it goes for me good. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. It's going well for me. So good or well, gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Repeat many times. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. And now a quick review of what we learned in this segment. To go, the infinitive, that is the unconjugated verb. Gehen, to go, gehen. It goes or it is going. Es geht, es geht. How's it going? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? How's it going for you? The formal way of asking. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? It's going well for me. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut. So now you know how to ask the question, how's it going, using the verb gehen in German.